In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Gamepass in Roblox if you're on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, let's say you're playing Roblox, so I'm just going to open it up right now. And let's say you want Gamepass for different games like Please Donate. You can't actually do it through the application itself. So you want to swipe out of that, go to your browser of choice. Then you want to copy this URL, create.roblox.com. Then once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but what you want to do is you want to press this little option here, then go to creations, which is the second option right under home. Then you want to make a place if you haven't already. Then once you've made the place, it's going to look something like this. So then just go ahead and click on it as such. Then once you're in your creations and in your place, what you want to do on the top left, click on that again. And then what you want to do is scroll down until you're in the monetization section right here. And then you just want to go to passes, which is the third option. Then from here, as you can see, I already have a few passes, but you just want to press create a pass. Then from here, you can change the image to a JPEG, PNG, or BMP. Then you can have a name that you want as well. So I'm just going to put like test, and then you can have a description up to 1,000 characters. Then once you're happy with it, just click create pass. And as you can see, the one I just made is right here, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.